To make the most out of robot structural analysis, it is recommended that you familiarize yourself with the interface. The text menu is organized into different categories. From the text menu, expand the Geometry dropdown. Here, all the commands regarding a structure's geometry can be accessed, such as columns, claddings, materials, and properties. Next, expand Loads. Here, commands regarding loads can be accessed, such as load types, load definitions, and special loads. Expand Analysis. Here, you can access analysis types, calculation notes, and verification. The vertical toolbar features common tools and commands for the current layout. The toolbar here can also be extensively customized if desired. Now, open an existing project file. To do so, from the text menu, select File, Open Project. This displays a file browser. Navigate to the project file, structure_1.rsd, and click Open. The drawing area updates to display the project file. Once a project is open, there are several ways to navigate the view of the project. To zoom into or out of the drawing area, simply use the mouse scroll wheel. From the text menu, expand the View dropdown. From here, you can choose Zoom, Pan, Rotation, and other viewing options. Another convenient way to alter the view of your model is by using the View cube. Click the Home icon. The drawing area immediately reorients to the default view. On the View cube, click Front. The model view changes to show the front view. Click a corner or an edge of the View cube, and the view updates to show the model from that angle. Click the Home icon once more to return to the default view. Next, zoom into the model. The Views toolbar is a great way to control several different display properties of the structure. From here, you can opt to view node numbers, panel descriptions, section shapes, load symbols, and more. Click one or more of these options to see how the display of the structure changes in the drawing area. With one of these commands active, from your keyboard, press Page Up to increase the symbol or description sizes. Press Page Down to decrease them. The Object Inspector window makes it easy to navigate the different components of your model. In the drawing area, select a component of the model, such as a column. The column node highlights, and the component's properties display in the Object Inspector window.